To navigate inside of the playbooks, whether you're in the literacy playbook or the numeracy playbook, is exactly the same. What you want to look for as you travel through here is any of these icons right here. They have the little, they're kind of flashing. That means that whatever is there is clickable. So in this case, when you click on Pip or Puffin, it gives you an idea of how you can navigate inside of our playbooks. So the other way you can tell what's clickable and what's not is in the top right hand corner here. This little button will show anything that's interactive. And the idea of these playbooks is that they are interactive. There's lots of information that's clickable that'll open up a new window or open up a new website or have a hover where there'll be information that will pop up for you to explore. So any of these paths are where you want to start. I'm going to pick educator. And once you click on that pathway at the very beginning, it'll bring you to a page like this. All of these, whether you're doing overview, admin, educator, specialist, community partner, or additional resources, all have this as their kind of beginning part to it. Once you're here, and you always know where you are because you have the flashy "you are here" words at the very top and an arrow pointing at which section of the playbook you're in. So once you're in here, you can choose to go wherever you want. All of these are clickable. So you can pick, if you're in educator and you're like, well, I really actually want to learn more about community partners, then you can go to over here and click any of these if you'd like. But for now, we're going to do elementary level. We're going to start here. And you'll notice that there are more of these that are all clickable. And along with this left-hand navigation button. This will take you anywhere you need to go. So if you start in elementary and it takes you to another page, for instance, let's say you clicked on this to go to page 2, but you wanted to go back to the original page, you could click over here. You could also return to the educator menu using that red section here, which changes color depending on where you are inside of the playbook. When you're here, you'll find that each of these has a different, might do a different thing. So for instance, this is a window that pops up with some information in it. To close any of the windows, you use the X in the top right-hand corner. Some of them are windows that open up and they have more links embedded inside of them. This, for instance, is a hyperlink that will take you outside of Genially and outside of our playbooks to information that might be useful. It will open up in a separate tab. So if you want to close the tab to get back to your, or click the tab you came from to get back to where you were before. Others have hovers that will give you more information. This is a window that will pop up, and then if you wanted to learn more about strategies for eliciting mathematical thinking and you were thinking conceptual understandings and questionings, you could hover over this button here and it will give you more information about the topic that you're working on. Others may have hyperlinks, others might have links that go at other places. So for instance, this hover here has a link to download the PDF version of this document or a Google Doc version of this document. When you're ready, you click X and you're out of it and ready to go. Anytime that you're inside of a certain section, you can move around freely inside of here. Some pages have, some sections, have more than one page, and those are marked by click for page 2, or it says, page 2 of 3 or page 1 of 3 over here in the left-hand bar. They're set up a little differently depending on where you are. If you need to get back for any reason, the back button will bring you back to the previous page, and the next button will take you to the next page. With one exception, inside of the literacy playbook, if you go to the educator role and you enter any of these, we'll go here, and you go to a separate page, the back button will bring you back to the original page where all the information was right here. So for instance, if you were to go to this page, it's a separate page inside of itself. If you were to click back, it would take you back to there. You could also navigate your way back by using the middle level button here, and that will also take you back to where you were before. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Kathy Bertini, whose email address is right down here and is available on every page, every one of these You Are Here pages.